We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hey everyone, it is time for a Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 孔。
And I hey Joseph Ling.
Joseph， 我講哦，呢個環保署啊，宣布第5月份開始啊，從那個洗衣店誒，還有那個做床店誒，吃出床店誒，那個店誒吼，做得本人哈。大概塑膠袋耶，是錢嘅哦，就是環保署宣布啊，從5月份開始。
Oh, okay. So this is the Environmental Protection Administration here in Taiwan, otherwise known as the EPA, said that starting in May, 怎麼樣？
像是小吃店啊，還有早餐店啊。
我剛剛點的是在點啊，
點就是店。
小吃點啊，跟早餐點。
個吃出床啊，就是自助餐店啊，
就吃的地方啦。哈。
做得自家本人客哦。
什麼？
自己給客人人客，就是客人哈。人客。塑膠袋耶。
塑膠袋耶。
塑膠袋。
Oh, that's right. I've heard about this. The EPA here in Taiwan was thinking about and going to cancel this whole thing about paying an extra 1 NT or 2 NT to obtain a plastic bag when you go to a restaurant or a convenience store or a diner. Apparently, they're thinking about it, and it's going to happen sometime soon. You don't have to pay an extra NT for this. 所以这个是从5月份要开始的，是不是？
错，5月份。
5月份的时候就不用再给钱了啊。So let's go ahead and teach some of these vocabulary right here. And first off, again, the Environmental Protection Administration 環保署。
環保署。
環保署。所以環保的話就是環保就好了。
環保。
Oh, that means protecting the environment. All right, 環保。Plastic bag. 塑膠袋。
塑膠袋。
塑膠袋。蠻難念的，塑膠袋。塑膠袋的對啊，哈。
錯。
All right, and 你剛剛講客人啊，客人順便教一下。
人客。
人客。That means the customer. All right. So once again, starting in May, you don't have to pay extra NTs for plastic bags that you obtain at certain stores. Okay. And although that is the case, I still personally want to recommend people to bring their own bags, or if you're just buying a pack of gum, just put it in your pocket and just leave. That way we can protect the environment even more. So that does it for a Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.